Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code with Logic. In today's lecture, we will cover chapter 1 Python Basic, where we will learn Python step by step in an easy and simple way. So let's get started and make learning Python fun and easy way. We will cover the below 6 important topics from chapter 1 Python Basic. First is what is programming language. Second is what is high level and what is low level language. Third is what is interpreter and what is compiler. Fourth is what is Python programming language. Fifth is what are the features of Python. And sixth one is how Python interpreter works. So let's get started with our first question. What is programming language? A programming language is a special language used to communicate with computers. It allows us to write instruction that tells a computer what to do, like performing calculation, showing message, or running programs. A programming language is a way for human to give commands to a computer in a language it can understand. Examples of programming language are Python, Java, C language, C++, and JavaScript. So, in simple terms, a programming language is a way for humans to talk to computers. Computers do not understand our normal language like English and Hindi. They can only understand binary, which is in 0 and 1. So we use a programming language to write instruction that tells a computer what to do, like performing calculation, showing messages, or running apps. Now, I hope you have cleared this concept. Now coming to our next topic, which is what is high level and low level language. So a high level language is a programming language that is easy for humans to read, write, and understand. It uses English like words and simple syntax, so you can focus on logic instead of computer hardware. A high level language helps programmer write instruction easily without worrying about how the computer's hardware works. Examples of high level language are Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and PHP. So, in simple terms, high level language is like talking to a friend in English, which is easy to understand. Example, you write simple Python commands. Now, a low level language is a type of programming language that is close to the computer machine code 0 and 1. It lets programmer directly control the hardware like memory, CPU, and devices. A low level language is the computer's native language, which is hard for human to read but easy for computer to understand. Examples of low level language are machine language and assembly language. So in simple terms, we can say that low level language is like talking directly to the computer in its own language using zeros and one. Okay, I hope this concept is also clear. Move to our next topic, which is what is interpreter. An interpreter is a program that executes the code line by line, translating each line of our Python code into machine language immediately. So key points here are executes one line at a time, stops when it finds an error and shows it instantly, easier to debug because you know which line has the error, used in language like Python, JavaScript, Ruby, etc. So in simple terms, we can say that an interpreter is like a teacher who reads and explains each line of code one by one to the computer. It helps Python run our programs directly without waiting for the whole code to finish. Now, I hope you got this concept. Let's move to the another topic, which is what is compiler. A compiler is a program that translates the entire code at once into machine language before running it. Key points of compiler are translate the whole program together, executes the program only after successful compilation, shows all errors after checking the full code, used in language like C, C++, and Java. So in simple terms, we can say that a compiler is like a translator who reads the whole book first, translate it completely, and then give you the result. It makes the program faster to run but harder to find error since it shows all of them together. Now we have understood what is programming language, what is high level and low level language, what is interpreter and what is compiler. Now move to our next topic, which is what is Python programming language. Now Python is a high level interpreted language used for building all types of application from website to artificial intelligence. Key points are: Python is created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, known for its simple and readable syntax, used in web development, data science, AI, automation, and more. Runs on multiple platforms: Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So, in simple words, Python is like a easy language we use to talk to computer. It is very simple to read and understand, almost like English. That's why beginner love Python, and it's used everywhere today, from website to AI and machine learning and data analysis. Now, moving to our next topic, features of Python. First, easy to learn and use. Python has a simple English-like syntax, making it beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Second feature is interpreted language. Python executes code line by line using an interpreter. No needs to compile first. Third feature is portable. You can write code once and run it anywhere. Windows, Macs, or Linux means our Python code runs on any operating system. Fourth features is large library support. Python has tons of built-in libraries for tasks like data analysis, web development, and AI, artificial intelligence. Fifth features is object-oriented. Python also supports object-oriented programming, helps organize code using classes and objects. Sixth features is open source. Python is free to use, modify, and share, supported by a large global community. Okay. So, in simple words, we can say that Python is easy to learn, run on any system, and already has many built-in tools we can use. That is why it is so popular for beginner and professionals. Now, moving back. Now, our seventh topic is Python interpreter. How Python interpreter works. Python is an interpreted language, which means it executes your code line by line, reads Python code. The first step is the Python interpreters take our .py extension file and reads it at line by line. .py either means extension where we write the Python code in editor, converts to bytecode. Now our Python file is converted into a bytecode, an intermediate low-level representation of the program. Now third step is executes bytecode, the Python virtual machine PVM, which is responsible to execute the bytecode step by step. Then the output is generated immediately. Error detection is there is a mistake in any line, the interpreter stops and shows an error message immediately. We can see in the below picture. First we write our code, save our source file, then the compiler is responsible to the converting our code into a bytecode, and bytecode is responsible for converting our bytecode into a running program. That means output, giving us output. So this compiler, bytecode, and virtual machines known as the Python interpreter terms. So think Python interpreter like a teacher reading your instruction line by line to the computer, translating it into a language the computer understand and give you the result immediately. You write code in a Python file. The Python interpreter reads your code line by line. It converts the code into bytecode and intermediate form. Then the Python virtual machine PVM executes the bytecode. Then we get the final output on the screen. So guys, I hope you have understand all this concept. I hope you understand all the concept fundamental of Pythons. So guys, I hope you now understand the fundamental of Python and how it works. Thank you. Keep practicing and stay tuned for the next chapter. Comment for your queries. Please support my channel by subscribing to Code with Logic. Hit the bell icon. Join me in the next video where we will start to write our first code. Let us learn Python together. Also share my videos to your family and friends who wanted to learn Python language.